Alright, welcome guys. This is the first AGNB video. Today we're doing an unboxing. It's bright as fuck. These are
the rear wheels that we have. They're 20 by 10.5 with 45 offset. I'm going to be pairing these with 315 tires, so should fit well. It might be a little big, but we'll see. I don't even know if it's going to fit. Probably will. Shall we? So yeah, these are the Verde V99s. I got these on Fitment Industries. They sell like all sorts of wheels and tires. Let's see, I also got them ceramic coated, so they'd have like more protection. We also
keep them glossy, baby.
Yeah. Hopefully the lug nuts are here now.
There's a giant spider though. There's an actual like gross spider.
I'm gonna have to return these. I'm sending them back.
Wait, where are they?
Oh, chill. Stay down.
Take off its
Alright, ready? Get the shots. Get the shot. Get the shot.
Oh my god, I'm getting naked for me.
Man, G. Alright, so these are the tires that we got. These are the, I believe they're SP Sportmax GTs. They're 315. Here. They're 315, 35 R20s. So those are going to be the rears. And then for the fronts, we have Lionheart somethings. I don't know what they're called. Lionheart LH5s. And they're 275/40 R20s. So the front fitment should be like perfect. So these will be going on the 9s.
So here is the rim sitting on top.
Here's the rim sitting on top. Just in case you wanted to see it.
It's a good view.
Yo, let's mount it.
And then here are the 275s in the front. And then we're running 315s in the back. We bought these used and still has a pretty good amount of tread on it. They were cheap. Right. And back for the back tires, we're low-key trying to like screw it up in the beach.
These are like gonna go down so much quicker
because
than this. Because they're rears.
Yeah, and the cars are rear-wheel drive.
Oh,
and when you skirt in the beach,
you know Mustangs? You think they have traction in the back? No.
Exactly.
Do you buy them like this? Because you're supposed to spin out and hit people.
Yeah, we're just playing. But no body is caught on his 3.7, which is litty.
Yeah.
We also have these. We had the only car for a while. And then Jordan decided to clean his back window and take it off, and he liked the way it looked without it.
It's coming through. Got fatties on that.
Oh my god.
Can barely fit through the freaking
Look at this.
walkway. This could take out a car. Just let a car come. It's gonna, watch.
Oh my god, 315s on the loose.
There's a tire coming through.
Alright, you're already taking the tread off. You owe Jordan 50 cents. Yo, what is that? Dude. Oh my god. That's a Jubati. That's a Jubati. Oh my god, that thing is clean.
You ever watch Tokyo Drift? That's actually Han's file side RX-7 that blew up. We brought it back. You'll see that in more videos.
These rims are sick. They're so clean. Oh my god. Oh sh.
All right, boys, and we'll see you at the shop.
This fucking ACL.
Boys. Back in business. Here's a little update. They didn't want to mount our used tires,
First
even
off.
though they were new.
And they're brand new, even though they're
But I
used.
did have 2 new ones. So they're mounting the 2 new ones here, and they're giving me an alignment. And then
We're off to the my
we're
boy
off.
Tim, who's gonna mount our used tires like a boss. Tim is a homie, he's kind of old, and he runs his own shop, and I can't see. So
I thought, no.
I know I'm just getting closer. All right, where's Truce?
That was intense.
Question is,
Alright, we're whipping the lamb. We're on our way.
it's fucking hot.
It's hot as a cougar's bosses. It's the same percent. Alright, boys, we're back at the shop. We got the wheels in the back. We're gonna mount them at home. Anything you gotta say, Billy Bob?
See you soon. You're right there. One way. Oh my god.
One way.
This is so unsafe. Guess what, kids? They sent them the wrong lug nuts. The last time we ever talked to you, you little Mustang. Grab this. Ah! I'm stuck!
I got it. Oh.
Between.
Wow, I just ran around the whole car. Alright.
Cool.
Right here now.
This is number 1, baby. Number 1, my sweaty Brazilian face.
Oh my god, this is heavy.
Look you, dude. Look at me now. That guy literally harasses us.
Yeah.
We used to last summer.
Yeah.
I don't know if my manager is gonna like this.
Yeah, you have work
My
right
friend.
now.
Huh?
You have work right now.
Load me.
Bro, looks sick.
Load my fucking cannons.
I'm very confused. There's a lot of poke, boys.
Oh, it's gonna slant.
Yeah. Spacers, baby.
That's good? Yep. Where's the center cap?
In the box.
Make sure. You want your wheels tight, not loose.
Oh.
Holy crap. Dude, even the fronts are meaty.
Oh my god.
Let's get to the other side, boys.
Yeah, every single thing that I've done.
That's like one finger.
every time I bought.
That's one finger.
No, I know.
It's still on bricks.
I can't even put my thumb in there.
Oh! Shit. I don't think I tightened it all the way when I went. Dude, these are heavier than mine for sure.
You on it?
Yeah, no.
Oh my god, my foot is literally
Rust
1,000
fucking
degrees.
come out. Oh, your wheel's like angled.
Time to back it up.
god, they fit, dude. Oh my
I
god.
just turned my car on. I was so scared.
Can you imagine plastic dipping your wheels?
No, I can't. I never did it to that car with stock rims once or twice.
Fucking peasants.
That was sick.
Come here, motherfucker.
Oh, what the hell?
Oh my god, look at the tread on that.
I know, dude.
No,
That's
we
from that
took it off.
burnout.
We took it off. We took it off.
We didn't do a burnout today, dude. What the
No.
hell? That sucks.
Oh, this thing is so heavy, dude.
I know. We got it. Nice. God damn.
What's that sound?
I don't know.
It's also jacked up. Oh my god.
Wires.
You can see fully, like, a full part of the seams.
You can literally see the wire.
Where? Jeez, we had no idea about that. I don't think so. I don't think so.
Go again. It's so tight. Alright, quick update, boys. We got Jordan's wheels on. The front ended up noticeably rubbing, so they were way too thick. So Jordan ordered new ones. They already came. We put them on. The 315s didn't end up working. We ordered a panhard bar, adjusted his rear axle to be straight. It's so close to not rubbing, but it still rubs a lot. Not a lot, but it's so close to fitting. It's crazy tucked. It's just the 315s have that poke. So he got 295s coming in. Gonna work well. Won't rub. His paint is fucking up. And we'll see you in part 2. Bitch ass.